How do ERP systems help mitigate the issues created by ongoing supply chain disruptions within the manufacturing industry?
Well, once you've got good people in place, you've got to have that first. But once you do have that, then managing inventory successfully is all about data and process. So, purchasing, reordering, shipping, warehouse operations, storage, receiving, customer satisfaction, stock inventory, turnover, that sort of stuff. Epicor MRP and PO suggestions, the engine that we have in the system allows for your management of inventory to really match what you need based on the demand that's being generated and what you have, so that you can know when you need stuff. And in an era of significant supply chain disruption, that really gives you visibility that you need to plan and be able to recognise if there's going to be a shortfall, what you can do about it.
Mm-hmm.